7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
Hello friends, it's Raj. So in this video, I am going to unbox a stress relief toy from Xiaomi. Here it is, the Mi Focus Cube. It is written that this product is not for kids below the age of 3 as it contains small parts and can be a choking hazard. The cube is made of ABS plastic and it comes disassembled as 33 parts. You have to assemble it carefully and say what? It will really get you nervous. LOL. Okay, let's start assembling. So here are the 33 parts. Refer the user manual if necessary. Step 1. Make 2 pieces of A. Step 2. Make 2 pieces of B. Step 3. Place the 4 pieces as shown. Step 4. Now interconnect the pieces. Step 5. That's it. The cube is set for relieving your stress. The long piece is the disassembly tool, so don't lose it. Okay, I was just testing my new YouTubing gadget. That was just a teaser. Can you guess what it is? So that was the unboxing and building of Mi Focus Cube from Xiaomi. The cube is currently available from Mi Store. You can find the product link in the video description. Hope the video was useful. Peace.